The Dartmouth Library Book Arts Workshop is a place for people to explore letterpress printing, bookbinding, and all sorts of techniques to make cool art like that. Anything related to how you'd make a book, we pretty much do it here.
We have a lot of different kinds of tools for making projects. We have lots of different kinds of paper and cloths and even a little bit of leather. We also have a variety of presses for printing metal and wood type and different kinds of mark making methods for making your books. What I find exciting about book arts is it's a way of being creative without knowing you're being creative. When you come into here and you start making things, setting type, binding books, choosing colors, choosing typefaces, things like that, all of a sudden you realize, oh, I'm being creative in a different kind of way, different kind of problem solving, and end up with something that's really cool that you can keep for a long time.
Everyone sort of has at least some background, some connection with text, with the form of word, but this is a sort of tactile way, a different way of seeing the letters that you use every day and holding them in your hands and shaping them to make something different, something new.